Hey guys, Amanda Brown with Lawyer's Title. It's almost Halloween. I'm so excited, but I wanted to go over a quick announcement about power of attorneys. Power of attorneys are so important in the real estate business. In our industry, they are used when a seller is unable to sign the grant deed or real estate documents. Maybe they're elderly, maybe your seller is military or just out of the country. But whenever a power of attorney is used, we always want to see a copy of it before that person, the actual owner, leaves. So if a power of attorney is being drawn up by your attorney or the client's attorney, please have us look at it before it is signed and notarized and all that, because if it is wrong or if there's something missing on that chain of title where maybe another owner is on that chain of title, we want to clear that up before the person leaves. So always run by power of attorney by us before that person signs. 2, we always need the original. So the original power of attorney has to be recorded with that grant deed. So we have to have an original, wet signature original. And then also always let us know why. We're always going to ask you, why is the power of attorney being used? And that is because we can't just have anybody, we have to notify. We just can't have anybody using a power of attorney. So example being, say my home is in a trust, right? And the successor to my trust is, I'm just going to call him Ray. Successor to my trust is Ray, but now I see a power of attorney in the name of Natalie. And we're like, well, who's Natalie? So we have to kind of match up the dots, especially if there is a trust being involved, because we need to make sure that the trust allows for a power of attorney. And then we kind of have to see if the players match up with the trust. Sometimes most of the times they do match up, but in the case they don't, we just need to know our file as to why. And most of the time you as a real estate agent meet with the seller. So if you meet with the seller and they are good, they just don't really want to deal with the sale because of their own reasons, you just have to let us know. So we're always going to ask. It's for our files, for auditing purposes. And please always get us a copy of that power of attorney so we can look it over to make sure it's good. If you have any questions, give me a call at 619-820-2866.